almost all the cryptocurrency is falling right now. Right now, you can see in this coin market cap website that all the cryptocurrency is falling. It's all in red, right? So what's happening, and should we worry about it? So we'll be covering a bit on this, and yeah, Shiba Inu is something which everybody is interested on. I'll be making a separate video on that, just on the technical aspect, nothing fundamental, but what you should be expecting also we'll be talking about. And also we'll be talking about the Bitcoin and Ethereum again on the technical aspect. So again, should we really worry about this fall? We'll find out very soon. So let's get started. So yeah, Ethereum and Bitcoin both fell majorly. It is doing a correction right now. Now, if you look at the chart, it was quite evident that the market might fall from here. Now, the reason why I'm saying that is that if you could go to the weekly time frame, you can see that we have quite a strong candles over here, like a bull run, right? But after that, we get this spinning top. Now, spinning top is a candle which it gives you an indecision stage. So this candle itself was telling that there are chances that it can turn around from here. Also, if you look at the daily, not on the daily time frame, if you look on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the momentum, we are losing the momentum over here, right? Now we can see that small bearish divergence over here. So I was definitely expecting the market to fall down from here. I was just waiting for this pattern to break out. That is the symmetrical triangle, and it did break out on the downside. So now there are other reasons as well. So that is, we had equal measured move. So what are equal measured moves? The market has a tendency of doing the same measured move multiple times, and when that does, there are chances of doing a pullback. So in this case, I'm taking this impulse move, and if we clone and put it to the pullback level, you can see that the market has almost reached to that level, equal measured level, right? I was expecting the market to test the 5,000 level. Now, why is that? Because it's an even handle number, a great psychological number. But before that, it did a pullback. Now, can't complain about it. That's how the market is. Sometimes it does test. Most of the time, it does test the even handle number, but it just fell down before that itself. Now, what's interesting now here is it did reach to the previous structure over here. Now, that is a good sign. If we could get any kind of reversal over here, that's a great thing. But there are no signals right now which is showing that it can do a push up from here. And also another worse news is, sorry to break it, but there can be an equal measured move for the pullback as well. So let me change the color on this one. Yeah, so if we clone this and put it to the next pullback, you can expect the market to come down to this level. Okay, and if we pull down some Fibonacci levels over there, you can see that it is very near to a golden ratio, that is a 618. And also, if you look left, that is at the structure. So sorry to say this, but there are chances that market can come down to this level. I'm not a big fan of whatever I'm saying right now. Even I have invested on Ethereum. In fact, I do mining as well. I know a lot of people do mining on Ethereum. So yes, this is a bad news for now, but the good part is there are chances that the market could shoot up from there. Even it can break up this high as well, because what I heard about Ethereum is that there are chances that by the end of 2021, it could reach up to the 7,000 level as well. But not sure how true is that. But yes, if it can shoot up, then it needs to do a major pullback. There is a lot of profit booking happening on Ethereum and Bitcoin. So that's why this pullback is happening. The only worry what you need to have is if at all it breaks this structure. If this structure is broken, then there are chances that it can go even more further down. So that's what I'm saying. Till where it can go down, if you want to know about that, then probably there is a pattern for this one, I guess. I'm not sure. 93, yeah, didn't test 1414. So you can expect the market to come down to this level, that is 2460. Might do another pullback and then it might go down even more further, but I highly doubt that is going to happen. Being positive, there are chances that it can do a pullback over here and then push up from here. Also, it can do a reversal from here itself, but like I mentioned earlier, there are no reversal signs yet. Okay, so if you get any kind of double top or double bottom or falling wedge, then that is a good sign. So if you guys are into Ethereum mining, then my suggestion would be to hold on to the payouts. Once the Ethereum goes up, you can sell it off at that time. Now I'm doing that because I am expecting the market to go even more further high. So I'm holding out on all my payments right now, whatever I'm getting from the mining. Hopefully we will get a reversal from here itself. So that's about Ethereum. Now let's jump on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin also is doing the similar thing. Only thing is that it was much more clear that it is going to do a pullback. Lots of profit booking is happening over here, and you can see that from here itself there is a bearish divergence on Bitcoin as well. So definitely expecting the market to do a pullback. Now till where it could do a pullback, let's draw a Fibonacci retracement on this one, and you can see that at 618 we have the sweet spot over here. Now that's around 50,000 level. So this 618 to 50%, that's a good level of pullback. So once this is done, there are chances that it can go even more further high. Now what I heard is that Bitcoin can reach up to $100,000 by this year end. I highly doubt it can happen, but we'll never know. Bitcoin did amaze all of us previously, so there are chances. But the one level which I'm looking at is if you draw the extension for this one, right? So let me keep this proper. Yeah, we can expect the market to go to the 76 or 77 level or 87,000 level. So these two are the immediate projection which I'm seeing. And also for the Ethereum, what I'm saying is if we do a projection for this one, so let's do this extension, and we can expect the market to go up to 5,483 level and or 6,256 level. Again, what I heard about Ethereum is that it can go up to 7,000 to 10,000 level by this year end. Again, not sure about that. Those are fundamental reasons for that. But according to the technicals, what I'm seeing is it can go up to this 5,400 and 6,200 level. So that's what I'm saying. There is nothing to worry about on this pullback which is happening. Like I mentioned earlier, this is just a profit booking zone, and soon we could get a reversal. Let's just hope that it won't do a major pullback. It's a pain to see that, but yeah, can't help it. This is what the technical says. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm not a big fan of whatever I'm saying right now. I'm sure a lot of people will be angry by now. Whatever I said, you can go ahead, dislike this video. Not complaining about that, but this is what it is. That's what the technical is showing me. So that's all for this video. In the next video, maybe I'll talk about the Shiba Inu. Most of them are very interested on that. So I'll do a technical video on Shiba Inu as well. So I'll see you in the next video. Good luck and have a good week ahead.